So this is our yummy asparagus, and thank you for watching, guys. Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. Today, magluluto ko ng asparagus in olive oil, and this is my lunch for today. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko magluto ng asparagus. I love this asparagus. This is very fresh, though very very expensive ang asparagus dito. I love these vegetables, so nakabili ako ng mas mura and very fresh. So luluto ako for today. Since ako lang ang kakain, ito ang iluluto ko. So after ko siyang hugasan, ikat natin ang asparagus dito sa pinaka niya, yung dulo. So ito lang yung gagamitin natin for cooking asparagus. So samahan nyo ko guys sa aking pagluluto for today. So let's start to cook now, mga friendship. All we need is fry pan. Then I am using this extra virgin olive oil and put it into the fry pan. Then we don't need too much olive oil. Just spread it out. Spread. Then it's very hot. Now we have to, so after we put the garlic, guys, we have to put the black pepper. Ang bango. Ayan, ang daming black pepper na lagay natin yung black pepper. Then we now put the asparagus. Then fry. So I like half cook lang sa asparagus. Ayan, guys. Di kailangan ng maraming what we call this? Very cook. Kailangan lang maging half cook lang yung asparagus natin para masarap. You know, guys, asparagus is very good for health. That's why I love asparagus. Now let's put the salt. So I'm using this herb salt. So just fry it and put 3 tablespoons of water. Oh my Lord! Sorry. So yan lang guys. Until na mawala na yung tubig. Yun. That's it. Just wait for few minutes. And we are ready to eat the asparagus. This is very good for health. That's why I love asparagus too. So not all the time I can eat asparagus because asparagus is quite expensive. But today one of my friends bought it at the farm. So nakamura na siya. Nakamura din ako. Pero tinignan niya sa akin. But it's okay as long as I can. Ngayon, i-test natin guys kung okay na yung asparagus natin. Guys, I don't like overcooked. I just want ano lang siya, yung half cook. So just wait and see. So now guys, medyo dry na siya. So let's take it out. So luto na ang ating asparagus. So kakain na tayo ng lunch. So this is our yummy asparagus guys. And I hope na nagustuhan nyo ang aking recipe for today. And thank you for watching. Happy tummy eating. I love it. So kainan na guys. Ayan ang ating asparagus for today. Sana may wine. Masarap to pag may wine. Yummy. Guys, masarap talaga ang asparagus kung half cooked siya at very talaga crunchy. So I hope nagustuhan nyo to guys. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Bye.